Be careful with your time. Most people don't deserve it. Shane here. Welcome back to another episode of Road Noise. So I was talking to a guy the other day, and the topic came up of feeling spread thin. Whether it was work, household, kids, all of the things that, take place every day. All of the things that, come with this thing we call life. And it was about feeling that pull and, trying to be here, trying to be there, agreeing to offer your time to help out this person with that. Just basic stuff. But we got on the topic of the pull in this life sometimes in order to not only as a man be everything for everybody, because sometimes that's just a preconceived notion that we have, that we need to do those things, but also saying yes. Right? It's okay to say no. Most people, maybe I shouldn't say most people, many people aren't worthy of your time. And you are the arbiter of whether or not you're going to give that time away. Most people go through life like this. They have a handout. And not in a malicious way, but just needing things, wanting things. And some of us fall victim to trying to be there for everybody without setting our own boundaries, without drawing that line in the sand from a healthy standpoint, right? To keep and maintain our own individual health. We have to say no sometimes. And it's not always easy. There are people that I will never say no to. My wife, my kids, for the most part, my family. Sometimes the family under my rooftop, most times, is still going to supersede the family I have outside of my home. It's taken some time, but me and mine come first and foremost. If a buddy needs help with something, sure, I'm going to do my best to try to help you out if I can. But I'm not going to do it when it's going to put pressure on me. It's going to pull me away from things I already have committed to. Because I've made those commitments in my home. Saying no is okay. And when I say be careful who you give your time to, most people don't deserve it. It's from the premise that most people that take aren't always the people that are willing to give back. And everything we do in this life requires energy. And if we're going to agree to do something for somebody else, then the trade-off is our energy. We have to take from ourselves and give to somebody else. And if we're not careful and we do that too often, we're going to run out of energy, right? The health meter in this game we call life is going to become depleted. eventually to a point where we feel burnout. Life takes its toll. Saying yes takes its toll. And often we don't see that until we've become so consumed by the energy that we're putting out and not replenishing. Because when we run out of time, we've run out of time for ourselves. When we don't have any more, or we feel we don't have any more time in the day, we will be the first to feel the impacts of that. So we have to take time to take care of ourselves, right? If I'm not good for me, I cannot be good for anybody else. Whether that's a spouse, a partner, a child, a friend, I gotta be good. I have to be good. There are a few times in life where being selfish is a good thing. From the outside societal view, it comes across as being selfish, right? Not caring enough, not saying yes enough. It's okay to be selfish when it comes to things like that. It is okay to put yourself first. And only when that life meter is full and you feel like you're grounded and you've got what you need in your day and you have a little extra to give and it's not going to impact you and take away from the requirements you need for the day, only then should we say yes. It's not always an easy balance. Nothing in this life is. But when you can learn that you deserve it, that you are worthy of taking care of yourself first, things can get a lot better. Things can be easier. The crazy part is nothing really changes, right? The impact it has on you is vast. You will feel ultimately different. But really, not that much has changed. All you did was put yourself first. And again, most people don't deserve the little bit of time you have left. Right? It's said, if you knew how little the people you're trying to impress think of you, you would worry about what they think of you a whole lot less. Take care of yourself, first and foremost. Take care of the family under your roof. And then and only then, give a little energy to the outside world looking into you to suck the energy from your day. I appreciate you all being here. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.